Assalamualaikum. I am Miss Sidra Bhatt. I am your maths teacher. Hope you are fine. Today's our topic is descending order. Descending order means numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest number. Today we will do descending order. So let's start activity. Now look at these numbers. These are from 1 to 10. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. ये जो काउंटिंग है ये हमारी असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में काउंटिंग है, बट टुडेज आवर टॉपिक इज डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम नंबर्स ग्रेटेस्ट से बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर की तरफ लिखते हैं. नाउ 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर की तरफ काउंटिंग लिखते हैं. 1 इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर एंड 10 इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. Now take out your maths homework copy and draw margin line and prepare one page for descending order. First draw margin line at the both sides. Then first write down date. After date write down homework and day at the pink line. Then leave the first top row blank, then leave the first column blank and write down the heading. Write order 50 to 0. Then write down tens, T and O. T stands for tens and O stands for ones. So the first number is 50. 50 हमारे पास जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है एंड 0 जो है स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. हमने 50 to 0 काउंटिंग राइट करनी है. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर को हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग भी कहते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 50. सो राइट डाउन 5 in tens column and 0 in ones column. So tell me students, what comes before 50? 50 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, 49. 4 is in the tens column and 9 is in the ones column. So what number comes before 49? 49, 48. 48. What number comes before 48? 47. 47. What number comes before 47? 46. 46, 45, 44, 43, 42 and 41. And now tell me students, what comes before 41? 41, 40. हमारे पास क्या नंबर आता है 41 से पहले? 40. अब हम leave the another column blank. ये कॉलम को हम इसमें कुछ भी राइट नहीं करेंगे. Then we will write 4 in tens place and 0 in ones place. And what comes before 40? Again 39. 40, 39. अब ये लाइन कंप्लीट करेंगे. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32 and 31. नेक्स्ट लाइन आप स्टार्ट करोगे 30 से, देन आप 20 से ये लाइन कंप्लीट कर. नाउ टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 11? 10. Yes, 10. We will write 10. 1 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. So, look at here. What comes before 10? 9. So, we will write 9 in the ones place. हम ones place में 9 लिखेंगे because 9 is a single digit number और single digit number में हमारे पास just ones की place होती है. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 6, 5. What comes before 5? 4, 3, 2, 1. Counting complete करेंगे. Then you will write 0 in. Then you will write down 0 in the ones place. 0. Now you will complete descending order 50 to 0. Greatest number to smallest number. Now take out your math school workbook and open page number 16. On page number 16, first you will write down the date, homework and day. In previous lecture, you have learned about comparing numbers. Look at the question, write the numbers that comes. Now again, let us learn about the numbers that comes before, after and between. Now look at the first box. What number comes before 50? 50 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, 49. You will write down the number 49. 49, 50. Now, what number comes before 100? 100 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 99. You will write down 99 in the given blank. Now, come to the next box. After 69. What number comes after 69? 69, 70. 70 आप यहाँ पे blank में लिख देंगे. 37. What number comes after 37? 37, 38. You will write down the number 38. Now, come to the next box. Between. What number comes between 60 and 62? अब 60 and 62 के दरमियान में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 60, 61, 62. You will write down the number 61. Next, 46 and 42. Here we have two numbers. 46 and 48. What number comes between 46 and 48? 46, 47. Yes. अब आप यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर राइट करोगे? 47, 46, 47 and 48. Now look at the question number 2. Take the biggest number and circle the smallest number. It means बिगेस्ट नंबर को टिक करेंगे, बड़े नंबर को टिक करेंगे एंड सर्कल मीन दायरा लगाएंगे नंबर के गिर्द जो कि नंबर छोटा होगा. लुक एट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 67, 49, 23 and 80. Here we have four numbers. Which number is bigger? Yes, which number is bigger? 80. 80 is the biggest number. So we will take the number 80. Now, which number is smallest? 67, 49, 23 and 80. 23. 23 is the smallest number. So, we will circle the 23. Now, look at the second question. Here we have four numbers, 77, 55, 12 and 94. Which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? 12, 55, 77 or 94? Yes, 94 is the biggest number. So, we will take the number 94. Now, which number is smallest? सा नंबर छोटा है? 77, 55, 12 and 94. Yes, 12 is the smallest number. So we will circle the number 12. सबसे छोटे नंबर को हम सर्कल कर देंगे. Now solve the remaining parts. Now look at the question number 3. Compare the numbers and write how much more one is from the other. नंबरों का कंपैरिजन करें और लिखें कि एक दूसरे से कितना ज़्यादा है. हमने 2 नंबर्स होंगे, उनका कंपैरिजन करना है और बताना है कि वो एक दूसरे से कितने ज़्यादा हैं नंबर्स में. लुक एट द क्वेश्चन. कंपेयर 8 and 1. 8 is dash more than 1. अब आपने बताना है कि 8 जो है वो 1 से कितने ज़्यादा हैं. Here I have a number line to show more than. 8 is how many more than 1? We have 8 here. And we have 1. So 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 8 is 7 more than 1. Now we will write 8 is 7 more than 1. 7. Now look at the question 2. Compare 9 and 2. 9 is dash more than 2. 9 is dash more than 2. Now look at the number line. We have the number 9 here. And we have number 2 here. So 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 9 is 7 more than 2. So we will write 9 is 7 more than 2. Now solve the part 3. Now look at the question number 4. Compare the numbers and write how much one is less than the other. अब आपने नंबरों का कंपैरिजन करना है और लिखना है कि ये एक दूसरे से कितना कम है. Compare 4 and 9. 4 is dash less than 9. Now look at the number line. Here we have a number line to show less than. 4 is how many less than 9? So this is 4 and this is 9. 4 is how many less than 9? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many less than 9? 4 is 5 less than 9. So we will write down 4 is 5 less than 9. 4 is 5 less than 9. Now look at the part 2. Compare 3 and 8. अब आपने कंपेयर करना है 3 and 8 को. 3 is dash less than 8. Now look at the number line. 3 is how many less than 8? Here we have number 3. Number 3 and here we have number 8. So this is number 3 and this is number 8. How many less than 8? 3 is how many less than 8? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हमने 3 से स्टार्ट करना है और 8 तक काउंट करना है. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is 5 less than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write down 3 is 5 less than 8. 3 is how many less than 8? 5. Now solve the part 3. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.